Jeez. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh my God!
So glad I caught that on camera.
I'm so glad you.
Tiffany Batista said okay, he's doing it now. Would you like to reply?
Are you joking?
Open to the sky. Somehow, that made the maze seem like an even crueler place. The old man looked sickly. He was terribly thin. His hands raw and red from working. White hair covered his eyes, and his tunic was smudged with grease. He was bent over a table, working on some kind of long metal patchwork, like a swath of chainmail. He picked up a delicate curl of